Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to fix payment failed on Craigslist. So to fix the issue or the payment failed error in Craigslist, immediately contact your bank to authorize the transaction, as they often block such payments. As you can see, when you see this website, you will not trust it. Well, obviously the same thing goes for your bank. So literally just go and contact your bank and tell them to stop the block from your payment. Verify your credit card details like number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. That must be also an error from your side, so make sure to always check the information before you click on the checkout page. Now, other than that, try updating your payment information, and if the issue persists, try a different browser. Just try, for example, Opera or Brave, Fox, and basically you can literally just try the incognito window, and this will help you to actually go through this thing. Now, as I mentioned, what you should do in general as a recap. So you need to contact your financial institution in case you had a bank, something like that. You need to go over them and talk to them to proceed with the payment, and also verify your payment details. So simply just read out your CVV card and billing address, expiration date, and number, and make sure that it is correct. And literally just use cash for local transaction. Cash is the most secure and reliable method, removing the need for online payment processing. Because when you try to go to a house here and buy it, you can literally just ignore the buy from here. Just go ahead and literally contact the owner of this house directly. Do not wait to buy it from them. You are going to rent it for a few days. Go and meet the person go to meet the owner in person, check the house yourself, and simply head the money to them. And yeah, this is basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.